Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use one shape to create many different types of fruit. Let's begin by going into Insert, Shape. I'm going to select the circle. I'm going to go Shape Fill. Just take a darker red. I'm going to open up the shape format. Then I'm going to go into the second icon. I'm going to create a bevel. I'm going to add width of 55. The height's going to be 28. The material, I'm going to select the dark edge. And for the lighting, I'm going to go with the 2-point. Okay, starting to take shape. Now we can create an apple, so I right click and go edit points. Let's just see here. That actually, that looks like a cherry. So we can make the first fruit a cherry. Shape. Now we need a stem. This is a perfect stem. Shape fill. Just going to make it darker brown. Okay. I'm also going to copy this before I do any addition. I'm going to copy this. Paste. I just put this here. Send to back. Edit points. Can add a point. Add point. This point, make it smooth. Make this one smooth. Okay. Now if we're going to move it like that, make that wider. Add a point. Add a smooth point. This one should be brought out more. At this point we can go shape effects, bevel. We'll find ourselves the first bevel. So there's the cherry. I can do additional work here, but I'll do it on the apple instead. This one I'm just going to select both items, group. Now we have one item, and make it smaller. Something like that. This will be the apple. Edit points. Add point. Have to make them smooth. Like so. We can start to modify it. Um, sometimes it takes a little time with the computer because it freezes. Because these are like vectors. Okay, I'm gonna close and reopen it. Edit points. Turn this around. Edit points. Maybe bring this in a little bit. Like that. It's going to have a stem. We're going to recycle this one. Copy. Paste. Right click. Edit points. I'm going to delete this point. I'm going to delete this point. Bring it in. Send to back. I'm going to look and see if the outline, take out any outlines in both of them. I'm going to group them. You can group it here as well. So now you have an apple. Copy. Paste. Now it's very easy to just have a green apple now. I shouldn't have actually, the top part I shouldn't have selected. Well, you can have a green stem too. I can easily change that back if I wanted to. Shape fill. There you go. There's two apples. What else? Okay. Make it smaller. Might have to go into shape effects, bevel. Sorry, we'll go through bevel here. Format shape. 3D format. You can either change the lighting or bring down the width and the height. Not sure which one does it better. Like that. Oops. I want to group this, but first I want to make this into a different fruit. A plum. So now you have the plum. You can group everything. Looks like it's grouped. Okay, if it says so. Then it's grouped. That's the other object. Now, what else? I'm going to say, take that out. I'm going to go, well, it'll probably be easier just to start fresh, but, you know, that's okay. We'll edit points. We'll edit the points. Okay. You probably would want to have just an indentation. Small one. I guess this could be a tomato too. So we're going to add a vine to it. Insert. Shape. Shape fill. Dark green. shape outline, make it black. No, let's just make it shape outline, make it dark green. How's that? And then center back, and I'm gonna go into fill. I'm going to go into pattern fill. I'm gonna go here, and I'm just gonna get it some kind of nice darker texture. You can kind of see it. Let's go with this one. This one maybe black. It kind of has an effect to it. This is lighter. How's that? Just to kind of give it a different look. Somebody cut it off the vine now. You want to probably shape effect bevel. Let's make it like that. There's your tomato. Group it. So we got a cherry, tomato, a couple of apples, a plum. I'm going to take this copy, paste, open it up a little more. Just give it another point. Make it smooth. Should be really round. I would have used a circle, but I didn't. Should have. Bad point. Actually, you know what? I'm going to keep this one too. Copy. I'm just going to put that here. This one. Edit points. This is going to be. This is a nectarine. So this can be a second tomato. I'm just going to copy this. Edit points. Flip this over. Center back. And make one more item. Copy. Get rid of this. I can make this bigger. Put this around. Shape. Avocado. And pattern fill. Let's see. This would be good. Like that. I don't know if there's anything else. No. Okay. That'll be the avocado. I'm going to go in here to Change the lighting. Just try to close up the gap a little bit. Put some shadow. Insert shape. This will be the orange. Shape fill gradient. Like that. Go into the bevel. Change the bevel. 55. 28. Material. Dark edge. I think I forgot to take out the outline, no outline. And then the lighting. 2-point light. Just make this different. Like that. Pattern fill. I don't like that it always changes it, like when you set it. And then this probably a bit lighter like that. We're gonna go shadow. Add a shadow. That's all of these things. These items. I think we added a shadow to that one, so we don't need that one. That one needs a shadow. Shape effects. That's quite a selection of fruits you can make for one shape and one type of bevel with a certain material and lighting. Thanks for watching.